Hello, hello, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by today. What I'm having today is going to show you how to make ugly dip. And it's such a good and great for family gathering and if you're just wanting to eat and have a little snack. And this is an easy, quick recipe. Now on this dish, the only thing that we need to have is 2 packs of cream cheese, and this is about 8 ounce each box. So we need 2 of these, and also we need a Rotel. Now, Rotel is a diced tomato with green chili, okay? And also we need to have 1 pack of sausage. Now you can get the mild if you don't like really spicy, or you can get the hot ones. So for this recipe we use the hot one because my wife loves the hot one. So all right, and we're gonna open our Rotel. All right, there we go. And that's what it looks like. And we are going to dice our cheese. All right. All right, let's just go cut that one. There you go. So what we're going to do, we're going to dice this cream cheese, okay? All right. I'm having problem with this. I think we're just gonna. Yep. We're just gonna. I think we're just gonna. Do it this way. Oh, come on now. I think it's better to dice it, y'all, because I think that it will melt better. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Cutting of this is a little bit tricky because they're really like soft. But we cut this so that it'll be easier for us to mix it with our meat when we brown our meat. So this part is ready. And now we are ready to cook our sausage. So I have my pan over here, and it's hot now. So we are ready to put our sausage. So I'll just get my pack, and then I'll slice the plastic and just take it out from the package, and we are just gonna dump it over here, and we're just gonna brown this. And oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to eat this. This is really good for if you have a visitor and you don't know what to do, what to serve them. This will be a really good appetizer. While they're waiting, they can nab on it. Some people serve this one during Super Bowl, so I know Super Bowl is too far away, but this will be a really great snack on during the Super Bowl. So this is so fun to cook. It's easy and simple, and it's delicious. Mmm. It smells really, really good. It looks like my meat is ready. And I'm going to drain this one to take the excess fat. So we don't want that one. Alright, I'm going to turn it off so that it won't get burned. And then I will take this one and put it in here. That's how I drain it, and then I'll get the excess fat. So we're just gonna take the meat out. As you can see, I don't have a lot of fat, excess fat. Kapo in English, oy. Taka pronoun. So just take it out. Some good skwila niya mayabas man good, mamayabas mo skwila. Muna din nakabaw mo English noon. Alright. Alright, just take it out. So already took the excess fat, and I'm gonna put this one back in our pan. Okay. Oops. So our meat is back here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the Rotel. Alright. So just take the whole can and just dump it over here. And then a little mix. And then after this, we're gonna add our diced cream cheese. Okay, so all our cream cheese is in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put the lid on top so that it will give time the cheese to melt. Okay, so how long I'm gonna leave it there? But I would say I will check it every 10 minutes until the cheese is incorporated in the sauce. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna check it. So as you see, the cheese is still not melted. So it's just a little stir, and then we're gonna put the lid back and then check it again after 10 minutes. Okay, no rush. After 20 minutes later, I think this is ready. Let's go check it out. Ooh, yes, it's ready. It's ready, yes. So we're just gonna stir this. Oh, turn it down. Let me turn it down. Turn down our heat. Oh, yum! Look at this. And this beautiful, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I don't understand why they call it abedit. This is such a beautiful dish. We're gonna put our finished product. With our chips. And here is our finished product. Let's taste it. Pretty good. Boy, I am so stuffed. I ate a lot. That was really good. I hope you enjoyed the episode today. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. All right, until next time, God bless you. You take care now. You hear? Hindi ko magsaba din sa akong asawa. Gusto ka. Lamig ka ako.
Is it done?
No, it's not done.